Welcome to the latest construction update of Mayfair LIV, the epitome of luxury living in Khar West. We're thrilled to announce that Mayfair LIV has reached its final stage of construction.
This project is almost at final stage and where you should see.
We've received full occupancy certificate and are one step closer to providing your dream home. Nestled in the heart of Khar West, Mayfair LIV promises not just a home, but a lifestyle defined by luxury and sophistication. From exquisite interiors to unmatched amenities, every aspect of Mayfair LIV is crafted to exceed your expectations. Experience the pinnacle of luxury living at Mayfair LIV.